How to customize your team members' access rights. First, go to the Teams and Plans page under the Settings section and select the Team Members tab. From here, you can either add new team members by clicking on Add Member or edit existing ones by clicking on the three dots on the right of them and then selecting Edit. Alternatively, you can also open the team member's profile by clicking on their name and then clicking on this icon here in the top right corner. In TaxDome, whenever you add a new team member, you will have to determine what rights they will have. But you can also change these settings at any later point. There are 3 different roles a firm's team members can have on TaxDome: owner, employee, or admin. There is only one owner, but there can be multiple admins and employees. An admin is a person to whom an owner assigns some of the firm management rights. Like the owner, an admin has immediate access to all of TaxDome's features and accounts. They can also add new employees and select access rights for them. Depending on their responsibilities, employees are given different access rights on TaxDome, such as managing invoices, proposals, or viewing all accounts. The owner and admin choose which access rights employees should have during the registration process. Access rights can be changed at any time. For now, I will edit one of my existing team members. At the top of this menu, you will have to enter the team member's name and email address. Underneath that, you can see a field where you can select the team member's role, and also a list of toggles for the different access rights. I will disable all their access rights to show you how it will look for them. If you want to see exactly what your team member can see, you can simply open their account and then click on the Login as Employee button at the top of the page. If I log in as the team member right now, I will have very limited access to the portal, with most functions not being available to me. When I click on New, most options will be grayed out because they don't have the appropriate access rights. Now, if I go to the Clients page, I will not be able to view any client accounts or contacts because this team member isn't assigned to any of them, and they also don't have the access rights to view all clients. It is the same case in the settings, since most of the tabs here will be hidden from the team member without the proper access rights. Let me go back to the firm owner account and then toggle on a couple of the access rights for them. I will enable the View All Accounts and View All Contacts toggles for them and then save. Here I am again in the Accounts page, logged in as the same team member. And as you can tell, now they can view all existing client accounts, and if I go to the Contacts page, all of them will be visible as well. Let's return back to the firm owner account again, and then I'll show you the difference between the two available roles. By default, it is going to be set to employee, but you can change this to admin. Employees will have access to whatever you enable for them, and you can customize this for each employee separately. Admins, however, have all access rights that common employees may be granted. They also have firm management options like the firm owner has, except for some crucial such as managing TaxDome subscriptions, connecting to third-party services, changing the roles of the other team members. This way, if you have several employees and you might need someone to assist you with the management tasks, you could just change their role to admin. You can also see that after I change the role to admin, the access rights from here disappear, because of them already having access to everything. Also keep in mind that there can be several admins, but only the firm owner can assign them. Here is the portal from the admin's perspective. They will be able to access the Team and Plans page, and from here make changes to other team members simply by using the same edit function that I was using as the firm owner a few moments ago. As mentioned, they just will not be able to change their roles, since only the firm owner can change that, and they also cannot edit any other admins. Having this level of customizability for your team members is a great asset for having everything organized properly in your firm portal.